Ever heard of the Ndrua? It is more than just a canoe. It is a symbol of the Pacific heritage and unity. You may have seen this traditional vessel in the animated movie Moana or at the Fiji Museum. But why is the Ndrua so significant? The Ndrua traces its origins from Micronesia, a sub-region of Oceania. Per historical accounts, the Ndrua made its way to other Pacific islands where it was adopted and modified. The Ndrua played an important role in early migration. This vessel allowed early Fijians to explore far and wide and settle in islands across the Pacific. Let me tell you a short story. Hundreds of years ago, there was this guy. His name was Ma'afu, a Tongan royal. This guy had a Ndrua, which allowed him to travel and conquer islands. While on a trip to Vanuatu, Tuivuna of the Condrove saw his Ndrua and immediately fell in love with it. The Tui told Ma'afu that he could take anything in the province in exchange of the Ndrua. Ma'afu agreed, and just like that, he got the island of Vanuatu. Let's focus on the Ndrua's unique design. The canoe has two different sized hulls, which are then joined by a crossbeam and a platform. The larger hull sailed to the leeward side, and the smaller to the windward side. Sounds familiar?
We'll fish the far side of the island.
We tried.
The windward side?
And the leeward side.
As Pacific Islanders, it is important that we preserve the Ndrua, and it starts with education. We should raise awareness, especially among us, the younger generation. Schools can introduce programs about the Ndrua, and not to mention field trips to the Fiji Museum to learn more. This is Kanetane Matau, and this is my Matai.